of the NS5. More sophisticated, more intelligent, and of course, 3 laws safe. The future begins today, ladies and gentlemen, with the arrival of the NS5.
USR Central Computer provides this state-of-the-art robot with new programs daily. The Nestor Class 5 is tomorrow's robot today.
Biological entity detected in suburban quarantine zone X 76A. Removal of life form contamination authorization will be granted in 3, 2, 1. Life form contamination has been removed from quarantine zone